Today, let's prepare a wholesome and earthy Black Kavuni Rice Upma, cooked the traditional way for a light and healthy meal. Rinse the Black Kavuni rice well and soak it overnight in the refrigerator. Next day, cook the rice in plenty of boiling water for 35 to 40 minutes or until soft. At this stage, the rice will be starchy. You can directly mix this boiled rice into the seasoning for a soft, sticky upma. But if you prefer a drier version, rinse the cooked rice once more with safe drinking water, drain it well, and then add it to the seasoning. Important note: rinsed cooked rice should be consumed immediately and not stored for later use. In another pan, heat oil. Add mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, curry leaves, red chili, hing, onion, and green chili. Sauté well. Now mix in half a cup diced carrots, half a cup chopped beans, and a quarter cup green peas. Add half a teaspoon turmeric and salt to taste, and cook the vegetables for a few minutes. Now gently mix the warm black rice with the seasoning. Finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. Your Black Kavuni Rice Upma is ready. A nourishing dish, with earthy flavor and a soft, nutty texture.